Priority RV Network is the world's largest retailer of new and used RVs. There are so many reasons why we're the #1 retailer in the world. All of our dealerships are independent and family owned. Our campers, more than 45,000 new RV and used buyers will purchase from us this year. More than 45,000, that's more than at any RV dealership or any RV group. There are so many reasons why. First, Priority RV service. If you're more than 100 miles away from home and you have a major functionality problem, you can obtain front of the line service at a local Priority RV dealership network. We have more than 100 locations nationwide. And with our alliance with RV Care Canada, that provides emergency service for our U.S. residents up in Canada, that gives us over 160 locations throughout North America, making us North America's largest service network. We have our own insurance agency, the Priority RV Insurance, that will provide a camper with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different carriers to find you the best coverage and the best bang for the buck. Our Priority RV Road Care. So many different programs that your local Priority RV dealer can go over. We also have a smartphone app. Download it and you can find, when you're traveling, your local Priority RV dealer in the United States or RV Care dealer up in Canada. You can download more than 20,000 campground locations throughout the U.S. and Canada. No need to carry around those big, thick, burdensome campground directories anymore. It's right all there on your smartphone, plus many other features that you're going to enjoy. Folks, when you add it all up, the Priority RV Network is where you should buy your next RV from. We're the world's #1 retailer of new and used RVs. We are North America's largest service network. When you have a major service problem with your RV, we'll get you in and get you out. We have more service space. We have more certified technicians. We have our exclusive Priority RV service, road care, and our own insurance agency. No one in the United States can offer you, the RVer, with more value, superior value, and nationwide service than one of our more than 100 Priority RV dealerships nationwide. Visit our website, www.PriorityRVNetwork.com, and find the local Priority RV dealership near you. Every Priority RV dealer has the finest retail financing program with the best terms and options to put you into the RV of your dream. Our Priority RV Insurance Agency provides the finest specialized RV insurance in the industry. It's specified, specialized RV insurance, better insurance than you can get from your local insurance agent. And our Priority RV Road Care through CoachNet is the finest certified technical and roadside assistance program that an RVer can have. When you're at a Priority RV dealership, make sure you talk about those great retail financing, insurance, and Priority RV Road Care programs to help you when you're out there on the road. Would you like to have that RV of your dream? When you're going down the freeway and you see that beautiful motorhome or travel trailer or fifth wheel, well, you can be one of those 45,000 or more that can realize that dream right now by stopping at your Priority RV dealer. Check our website out, www.PriorityRVNetwork.com. Find the local dealer and let them show you our entire program that will help you get into your RV dreams. Don't wait till retirement. Do it now. Let's do it today. Stop in. They'll show you how to do it. The road to camping goes through us.